Yo, we back with another video. Today we gonna bring these 13s back to life. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First thing we're gonna do is start off by taking these laces out. To everybody, don't be that guy who cleans every part of the shoe but leave the laces. You know them laces need some cleaning too. So from here, we're gonna switch sneakers and do the same thing we just did. In the comment section, I want you to guess how much you think I got these lucky green 13s for. Because I can tell you one thing for sure, it was a steal. So if you haven't noticed, next we're gonna get the fabric shaver. So this would help take the excess off the shoe liner. You know what time it is now, the deep cleaning. What's funny is I could not find out where to put this bucket. It had me recording like, oh my God. But besides that, make sure you're using the right solution. These are suede shoes. It's real easy to get these messed up. So I don't know if y'all seen this yet on the other video, but this is the best tool. Check it out. So we're gonna switch shoes and do the exact same thing we did to the other shoe. So you can skip through this or watch it like a real one. I'm not sure if I said this earlier, but make sure you're not using the same towel to wipe the suede that you wipe with the rest of the shoes.
Nasty!
So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all watch this right shoe finish, and I will be back for the next step. Okay, we got one more step left. Now let's get these laces into these 13s. Alright, we on the last shoe. Now let's get it. And there it is, the lucky green 13s. Now these came out exactly how I wanted it to be. From dirty and washed up to being the man it's supposed to be. Now that will be the end of the Air Jordan 13 Lucky Greens. Like, sheesh. Look at that suede. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We got way more to come.